So, picture this. You're working on an important document in Google Docs, pouring your heart and soul into it, when suddenly, gas, the power goes out. Panic sets in as you realize you forgot to save your progress. But fear not, my friends, because today I'm going to show you how to recover those unsaved changes in Google Docs like a pro. First things first, open up Google Docs and head to the File menu. Look for the Version History option and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, revealing a magical list of all the saved versions of your document. Take a deep breath, because this is where the real magic happens. Now skim through the list and find the version that you want to recover. It could be the most recent one or maybe the one just before the power outage. Once you've found it, click on it and watch as your unsaved changes miraculously reappear on your screen. It's like a digital time machine, my friends. But wait, there's more. If you want to be extra safe, you can also enable the autosave feature in Google Docs. Simply go to the Tools menu, select Preferences, and check the box that says Automatically Save Changes. This way, you'll never have to worry about losing your hard work again. So there you have it, folks. With just a few clicks, you can recover those unsaved changes in Google Docs and save yourself from a world of stress and frustration. Remember, the power might go out, but your document will always be safe. Happy writing!